All right, good morning, happy Friday. So let's start off. How's the mindset? How we're feeling today? Feeling really good actually. Had an amazing night's sleep last night. Woke up at 5 a.m. Actually woke up naturally around 4:55. Body still feels a little bit sore, but feeling really good. Regular morning routine, cold showers on Friday because I do not train jiu-jitsu. I do have a little bit more free time, so I actually reviewed my entire week recap videos. So I did that this morning around 7 a.m. I went upstairs. I went to the porch and did my meditation, pretty much gratitude, prayed, goals, and had coffee. Did my reading around 8:15. Clocked into work. Slept around 8.5 hours last night. Went to sleep around 8:30. Woke up around 4:55. And yeah, pretty much feeling really good for overall really nice, amazing night's sleep. Tire wise, I'm feeling really good. The only thing I'm feeling a bit sore, so I put a 2, but overall very close to 1. But let's jump into pretty much the overall market. So let's see what the market is saying. So we did have what was it? We had employment situation at 8:30, and the market took a very bullish. So we currently are gapping nicely higher. Currently trading around actually above this pivot area, so it's actually looking pretty damn good for a move higher now, which is kind of very impressive. But yeah, above this area looking pretty good for a nice continuation. We are gapping higher, so looking pretty bullish in pre-market session. Same thing with QQQQ, currently trading above this daily key level or this pivot area as well, so looking pretty good. But let's jump in. So pretty much my main focus for today is going to be Nvidia. It's going to be my primary watch. I just really like how it's setting up and everything. Boeing, it's going to be pretty much my secondary. Boeing and Apple is going to be pretty much my secondaries. But let's start off with Boeing. So Boeing, as you can see, we showed some relative strength yesterday with high volume compared to the overall market. Looking pretty damn good just for some nice continuation. Looking for that just continuation play. So above pre-market high, like if I move pretty much above pre-market high and psychological level now 180. I like if I move continuation for to this daily level. Looking at Apple had earnings. We are having an insane gap higher, so I'm a bit cautious with this one because again, when we have a big gap up like that, we tend to just chop around. But let's see what the market presents. Because we have earning, we have a news catalyst in a sense. There's going to be a lot of eyes on this stock, so we could potentially see some clean price action. And then we have Nvidia. So Nvidia is looking damn good. I really like how we're holding. So pretty simple above this daily key level. I like for a nice continuation play. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if we look at Nvidia, let's start off with Nvidia. So in the pre-market session, we had a nice gap up with the whole market, pretty much with news that we had. Currently trading around 875. I am actually liking it off the open if we can actually hold around to 875, but I don't want to rush it. I want to be a bit cautious because again, with Nvidia, because it's an expensive stock, I will be taking the same week expiration. The only thing is that I will be sizing down a little bit. So I'm only going to be taking like around 2,000 to 2,500 position size on Nvidia if I see any particular. But as I've been seeing the trend, the first couple minutes we tend to be a little bit choppy, and then we see a clean price action. So off the open, I want to be a little bit cautious, but if I see something clean, I will be interested on taking it. But I do want to be a bit cautious because I've seen it over and over that if you're patient with Nvidia, it usually gives you a nice pretty much pattern. Looking at BA, so BA, as I said, we are actually making a new pre-market high. We are showing some really nice strength. So just looking for a continuation play above pre-market high for a move to pretty much 180 and potentially this daily key level. And if buyers are really nicely showing some really nice strength, we can see a potential move to psychological level 181, 182, and potentially a daily key level right here, 182.55. And then Apple is just an earning play. So I'm just going with, I want to let price action tell me the story, but not really loving this pullback. But ideally, I want to see us above this pretty much after hour high for a nice continuation play to psychological level 187, 188, 189, and potentially 190. So let's see what the market presents. As always, we're going to be patient, wait for good up to rise, and most of we're all going to follow our rules. I do want to say I am going to go meditate like I usually do before I start trading, but I am feeling a little bit too excited for the day, so I want to make sure that I don't let those emotions dictate my action. I want to make sure that I calm myself down. Yesterday, it looks like we could see some good opportunity, but I've seen it over and over that sometimes days like today that we see like I feel like it's gonna be a good day. Sometimes it's just choppy, so I need to come in with a calm mind and make sure that I'm in the right mindset and don't rush things and have my stop loss in place. If I'm wrong, take my loss, call it, and move to the next opportunity. But I need to make sure that I don't go in with too confident or hoping for something extremely like a huge move to happen, because that's not the case. Again, the market is unique. Every moment in the market is unique. So my job as a trader is to show up and wait for opportunities to come to me, and once opportunity comes to me, execute on those opportunities.